Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money on TikTok. Right now, there are a whole lot of guys that are creating TikTok accounts, posting all manner of videos, but they are not making money from it. But in this video I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step you can actually follow or take for you to begin to earn massively from your video on TikTok. Even if you don't have any video on TikTok, you can take advantage of this method I'm going to be showing you to make a whole lot of money from TikTok. Okay, now listen to me once again. You don't need to have a video on TikTok for you to make money. Okay, provided you can open up TikTok, okay, you can make money from TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you every step by step you need to know. Okay, so first and foremost, just go to TikTok. Okay, now if you come to TikTok here, on my TikTok here, you can see there are different videos here. Okay, short videos. Okay, I've actually signed up to my TikTok accounts here, but you can just do it now. Even if you don't have a TikTok account, all you just need to do is to come to TikTok and create an account. Now I'm going to be showing you payment proof. You can see payment proof that guys are actually cashing every single day. Now this very video I'm creating here today, I'm recording it today being the 3rd, okay, of October 2023, and you can see this very date here. Okay, you can see guys actually cashing out. Okay, you can see all this day, you can see these guys just cashed out $9. You can see this one cash out $5, $5.82. Okay, you can see this one cash out $5, $68. So provided you have a crypto account, you have a payer, you have a PayPal account, you can take payment, okay, from this method I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so let's go back to TikTok now. So here on TikTok, okay, what I normally do is this: I'll come to this search bar here and I'm going to type viral. Okay, if I click on, I type on viral here, now you're going to see that a whole lot of videos, okay, that went viral are going to come up. And now the kind of videos we're actually looking for this particular method I'm discussing with you is videos that have very high volume of watch time. Okay, what I mean by that is this: if you check up here now, you can see this particular video, right? This video has 210 million view, over 210 million view, right? If you look at this one has over 9 million view. You can see this one has over 97 million view, right? If you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of them. Okay, these are viral video. Remember, I just put in viral here, then it's going to show you. You can see this one has over 17 million view. Now the higher the numbers of view, the more money you're going to be making from this video. Okay, if you follow the practical step that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, so what you need to do next, okay, is to go to a website called Pinterest. Okay, this is Pinterest, right? You can see it here, Pinterest. Now on this Pinterest, if you don't have an account already, please go ahead and create an account here. Okay, I'm going to be walking you through the process of how you're going to be making money on this method. Okay, so come here to TikTok. So you're going to choose a video. So what we're going to be doing is this: we're going to choose a video here that we think is going to help us make more money here. Okay, so you can see, you know, if you remember this particular video of this girl, this little girl, this video actually went viral. A whole lot of people actually watched this video. A beautiful girl, the original of I think she made a cover of I can't really remember either Celine Dion or Whitney Houston. Okay, so let's take this video for an instance that got over 97 million views. So we're going to use this video. Okay, now first and foremost, before we'll go and copy this video, what I'm going to be doing is this: I'm going to get the screenshots, okay, of this. So I'm going to be using this just like the cover of the video, right? So quickly let me do that. If you don't have a screenshot too, you can also always get one, okay, or you can just screenshot your screen. There you can do that. Okay, so quickly let me screenshot this. Okay, I want to screenshot the picture of the girl. So we're going to be using it on Pinterest. Okay, just follow me as we go through this process. Okay, don't worry if the video is lengthy, but you're going to be gaining value from this video. Okay, so here now we've done that. We've copied the cover, okay, which we're going to be using as a thumbnail for this video, okay, on Pinterest. So here you're going to click on the video now. So when you click on the video, you can see this is the video, okay, and you can see this is the link to the video. Okay, so what we want to do now is just to copy the link of this video, right? Remember, I'm just using this as an example. It could be any other video that you want to use on TikTok. Okay, you can see a whole lot of videos. You can see this one. You can see this particular video. This video actually calls for curiosity, right? When you see this boy with these goats, okay, embracing each other like this, it calls for curiosity. Okay, so this kind of video can also go viral. You can see it has 210 million views. Okay, over 210 million views. That is great. Okay, you can also use this one. Okay, but let's continue with this particular one, this guest one that I'm using as an example. So the next thing you need to do is to go to TikTok here, Pinterest here. Okay, so here on Pinterest, after you must have created your account, remember I said if you don't have an account, go ahead and create your account here. Okay, so here now you're going to come up here where it says create here. So on Pinterest here, Pinterest is just like TikTok as well. Okay, so people come here to look at pins. Okay, they watch pins, different kind of pins. Okay, they watch videos, they watch pictures, but in this case, okay, we will be using video. Okay, so if you come here and you click on, let's say, videos here, let's say video, here you're going to be seeing a whole lot of videos here. Okay, you can see all these are videos. Okay, you can see people watching these videos, right? For example, let's just click on one of those videos to show you how this thing actually works. If I come here and I click on this video and I come down here, you can see it's a video. You can see it's just 11 seconds video. Okay, this video has 43 comments. Okay, and you can see a whole lot of people actually making comment about this video. You can see 2.8k likes. Wow. So you can see the video is actually gaining traction here, right? So just imagine you copying about 10, 20, 50, 80 videos from TikTok, and you come to Pinterest and you post them here. Is going to gain you a whole lot of views, right? So that is what we were about to do now. So for us to now post that video, we just picked from TikTok, this particular video. All we just need to do now on Pinterest is just to click on this create here, right? And we're going to click on create pin. Okay, when you click on create pin, here you can see after you must have created your account. Okay, like I rightly told you, I've created my own account here. So here you're going to put let's say a title of this video. You can see, you can just say like let's say a girl voice cover of Whitney song. Okay, you can just use this, right? You can put something, but you can just take your time and craft out a very catchy headline for this particular video that we're going to be using on Pinterest here. Okay, then here you can just say something about the video. You can just say a girl from Africa giving Whitney Houston song a great sample. Okay, remember we're just doing this, we're just using this as an instance. You can actually use something that is more interesting than this. Okay, you're going to take your time and craft something that is more interesting. Okay, so you're going to use that as a description of the video here. Okay, then here you're going to copy, you're going to use something like a thumbnail. Okay, so let me quickly use this particular one. Let me quickly use this particular picture that we just okay, you can remember this picture. This is a picture that I actually screen grab, okay, from TikTok. Okay, so that is the picture I'm going to be using here, right? So you can see I just use that picture here. Then down here, you're expected to put the link, okay, to the video. So the essence of this particular method is this: the more people come to Pinterest here and they watch this video, the more money you're going to be making from TikTok. Okay, remember I told you I'm going to be showing you the method on how you're going to be earning this money. Okay, remember this time around, you are not even not necessarily that you are going to be the creator of those videos. All you just need to do is to go to TikTok and copy those videos. Okay, so here on let's continue here on Pinterest. So the next thing we're going to be doing here on Pinterest is to that link. You remember we'll copy the link. Okay, we'll copy this link from TikTok. So that link we copied from TikTok here, this particular link that we copied from TikTok, right? This particular link. So we're going to go to this website. Okay, we're going to come to this website. Now the name of this website is called shrinkme.io. okay, this is the name of the website. Now remember, TikTok is not going to be paying you directly because they don't actually have that system in place yet. So TikTok is not going to be paying you directly, but this website is where you're going to be taking your payment from. Okay, so you come on this website that is called shrinkme.io. you register on this website called shrinkme.io. okay, now on this website they are going to be paying paying you per 1,000 view. Let me quickly show you how they actually do their payout here, okay? If you come down here where it talks about, if you come up here where it talks about payout rate, let me quickly show you that here, okay? I'm sorry, my network is a bit slow. So you can see their payment. You can pay you from $20 per 1,000 view, okay, down to $3.5 per 1,000 view. It depends on your location or the country you are, okay? The amount of money they're going to pay you per 1,000 view varies depending on your location, okay? But trust me, you're going to be making money from this website, okay? Provided to get 1,000 view is going to be very easy. If this video could go viral on TikTok, okay, having over 91 million views, okay? You can imagine if you don't get 90 million views on Pinterest, at least you're going to be getting like 1 million views, 800 views, 100, 200 views. So the idea is this: you're going to be posting a whole lot of videos like this on Pinterest, okay? The more video like this you have on Pinterest, the better it is, okay? So now on this website here, like I told you about this shrink.io, okay? You're going to come down here. After logging in on your shrinkme.io, you come up here where it says new short link, okay? So what we actually want to do is this: we want to get a short link from this website, because how this website actually pays you is all about views, okay? The number of views you're going to be getting will determine how they're going to be paying you, okay? So we're going to click on this new short link here. Okay, remember this link we just copied, okay, here from TikTok. So we're going to bring that link here, then we're going to paste that link here. Okay, we're going to paste that link here, right? We're going to paste that link here, then we're going to come down here, we're going to click on shorten. Okay, so when we click on shorten, it's going to give us a unique link. Okay, now that is the link we're going to be using on Pinterest. Okay, you can see the link here that's giving us a link. Okay, so we're going to click and copy this link. Now we're going to go to Pinterest, okay? Here on Pinterest now, you can see where I say add a destination link, okay? This link we copied, we just got from shrinkme.io. We cannot paste that link on Pinterest directly because Pinterest is going to see this link as a spam, okay? If let me quickly even do that so that you're going to see that. Let me take this here. Let me paste that link here. Okay, if I paste that link here, so you can see after clicking on save, you can see what it says. It says, sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to a spam. Okay, so for you not to put this link directly here, after you copy the link, after you get the link from this shrinkme.io, I advise you go to bit.ly.com. Okay, go to this website, www.bit.ly.com. Create your account on bit.ly.com. Then you come up here where it says create new here. You click on this create new, then you click on link. Okay, so what we are trying to do is this: we are trying to diffuse this link that will copy from shrinkme.io. Since Pinterest will not allow us to post that link, we're going to come to bit.ly.com, then we're going to reshorten the link here again on bit.ly.com. Okay, I hope the process is very straightforward and you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so here is the link, okay, of shrinkme.io. Copy the link. I've taken the link, then I'm going to go to pinterest.com again. So you can see if I put the link here now, it's going to go through. So let me paste the link. Okay. After pasting the link, then I'm going to click on save. Okay. So after clicking on save, it's going to help us to create this pin, right? So after creating this pin, as soon as people start watching this video here, okay, we'll be getting paid. You can see it says save your favorite ideas. Okay. So I'll just say later for now. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing is this. Let me quickly go back to my own. Okay, let me go here now and see my save pin. So you can see this is my pin here, right? You can see this is the pin I created here now. You can see this is the pin I just created. Okay, it's not they watch this pin. This pin is going to start generating funds for me on this website called shrinkme.io. Okay, so that's how a whole lot of guys actually make money on this website. Okay, but what I will advise you to do is this: you go to TikTok, you pick a whole lot of videos. Okay, look for a whole lot of videos that went viral on TikTok. Okay, and you go to Pinterest and you create them as pins on Pinterest. Okay, that is how you now start making money on this website. Okay, so it's as simple as that for you to start making money on TikTok without you even creating any video by yourself on TikTok. I hope this process is very straightforward and simple. Okay, like I rightly showed you, people are already cashing out through this method, and Thank God you are aware of this particular method now. So go ahead and begin to implement it, okay? I want to believe you got value from this video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And please go ahead and also like this video so that others will get to see it, okay? I want to really appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye-bye for now.